Yn ddiweddar, daeth John Toshack draw i Abertawe i agor canolfan hyfforddi newydd sbon dantlu i'r Swans. Ymysg y pwysigion yno i'w gyfarch oedd y rheolwr presennol Paul Clement. Ac yn y cefn, roedd hyfforddwr arall gyda'r clwb yn gwylio, sydd â sgidiau mawr, sgidiau dad i'n llenwi.
Big shoes to fill, but I was given the opportunity 4 years ago by the chairman to come back in and work full-time in the academy. And over the last 4 years, thoroughly enjoyed working with the younger players, so the under-18s and more recently the under-23s, so thoroughly enjoying my work here. The under-23s have won the league title, which is you know, a fantastic achievement for them. And we've also managed to get to the semi-finals of a European competition. We're very, very proud of our young men, and not only to have succeeded, but the way they've done it as well. The football they've played, you know, based on the philosophy and the way that we do things here has been very impressive. And now we've got, you know, world-class facility for our Premier League players and our youngsters under 23s and under 18s to train. So, you know, these players now in their development want for nothing, and it's very important to be able to attract players from an academy and a first team point of view to have such facilities. So, yeah, we're very, very proud of them. The margins are very fine, and that's what these young men now have to deal with. It's not just a case of, you know, I want to become a professional football player for Swansea. It's a fact that, well, I want to become a professional football player and be among the top 4% worldwide, because that basically is their challenge. Clearly not everybody will achieve their goal, but you know, I think our role in the development phase at the football club is to get as many of those young men in a position where they can get careers, whether it be in the Premier League or in leagues abroad or lower down as possible. So that's our goal. We know it's a tough challenge, they do as well, but we need to put them in, you know, the best situation they can be in.